Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to find privacy policy on a CapCut application. So privacy policy basically is digital documents that contains information about the way application keep the data of the user, so that the user will be believed and given a trust into the application that they want to use. So basically, if the application doesn't have the privacy policy, I will suggest you to not continue using them because it cannot guarantee your security or your data security. So here is the way how to find privacy policy on a CapCut application. Open the CapCut and make sure that you stay in edit sections right here, and please take a look on the top side. There will be two icon here, these circles and with this one, so you just have to go click it to visit the settings, and right after that you will see like down part here there will be a privacy policy here, so you just need to go click it. Wait until all of the information is loaded into your screen. It's just depending into your internet connections, guys, so make sure you have a good quality of connections on for your internet to access this privacy policy. Whenever it's coming into your screen, you just need to read every single points, understand every single points, and so that you can like trust into the applications that you just used. So that is the way how to find privacy policy on a CapCut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Hopefully you can like catch me up again into the next video. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel. Let's see for the next tutorial.